If you adore charming towns but hate crowded cities, Colmar is calling your name. Nestled in the heart of Alsace, Colmar is a postcard-perfect destination. Start your journey at La Petite Venise, where colourful houses reflect in charming canals. Dive into history at the Unterlinden Museum, home to the awe-inspiring Eisenheim altarpiece. Marvel at the Gothic grandeur of St. Martin's Church. Don't miss the Renaissance beauty of Maison Pfister with its intricate wooden balcony and painted facade. Pay tribute to the sculptor of the Statue of Liberty at the Bartholdi Museum. Explore the ancient customs house Ancien Douane for a peek into Colmar's storied past. Relax at Parc du Champ de Mars, perfect for a serene stroll. Step inside the Église des Dominicains to admire its stunning stained glass windows. Wander down Rue des Marchands, a street brimming with medieval charm. And finally soak in the history of the Tanners district with its beautifully restored houses. Colmar's blend of historical charm and natural beauty is sure to steal your heart. Don't just dream about it, experience it.